The best gift God has given to every living being on earth is family.
Home is where the heart is. My family is like a tree. She is my mother. She is the root of my family.
Family plays a very important role in our life. We have cooperation, trust, love each other. I am happy to say that blessed with a very wonderful family. I love my parents, grandparents,
My
everyone.
family is a joint and happy family. My family is a kind, loving and caring family.
This is my loving family. My parents are also like my best friends and I share everything with them. They are also my role models.
Bandam, her name is Zamzam. It has 2 kids. She is Azwa and it is
My
Yaqub.
grandfather's name is Lakshman. He loves gardening. He is very creative. Whenever he goes to market, he never returns with empty hands. He always brings us food or snacks to me and my younger sister.
There are 3 members in my family. Me, my dad and my mom. My dad is a responsible person. He loves his family and also active in other activities like
My granny. She is my granny. She loves gardening. She also takes care of me in the absence of my mother.
She is my naughty sister. She troubles me everywhere.
Family plays an important role in our life. The middle finger, which is my grandfather. He plays an important role in my life. He tells me stories and when I was small, we used to play.
My family helps each other. My family lives together happily.
House is made up of bricks and home is made up of hearts. And I truly believe that our home is made up of hearts.
Let's go meet my naughty sister. She's studying. She fights with me, but she's caring.
Grandfather, grandmother, mother, auntie, kitty, and Ruby too. We all live and help one another. That's what loving families do.
I am happy to have such a lovely and caring, family.
My mother, she's a homemaker. My parents are my first teacher.
Me and my grandmother like to do gardening. She always takes care of them. Sometimes I come to her house and I will also help her.
She gives me candy, chocolates, and narrates interesting stories. I love my grandmother very much.
I am proud to say that I belong to a farmer family which still continues the paddy cultivation.
Nature is everything around us. It provides the beauty to our environment. Nature is one of the best, precious and noblest gift of God on this planet.
Nature, God's beautiful creation. Today I am on the lush green paddy field. Our village is known for agricultural activities.
In Aristotle's words, in all the things of the nature, there is something of the marvelous. Nature is our best friend which provides us all the resources to live here.
We have some green plants in our house like tomato, and spinaches, red leaf.
Nature is the best gift given by God to us. It is the best and beautiful gift given by God to us.
I really enjoy the fruit of my input by harvesting the crops, which effectively take a short period of time to grow. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. A famous quote by Albert Einstein. Do you think this captivating place whose beauty is beyond words exists in Kerala or Uttarakhand? No. This wonderland is on the banks of Suvarna River.
One of the amazing gifts with which the planet Earth is endowed is nature. It is the incomparable beauty of our planet Earth.
We should take proper care of our environment. Nowadays, people are so busy that they cannot take pleasure and enjoy the natural environment.
Let the fields be jubilant and everything in them. Let the trees of the forest sing for joy.